So we are now easy 2/3 of the build. Got all the wings to be able to be detached. Obviously the model's not painted yet. I'm gone for what airbrush design I'm going to do. Going to do a paintwork with this new polyurethane primer rather than loading fiberglass onto these models. Definitely do not need it. I do this for a living, but I'm going to use this new polyurethane stuff. It'll give it a nice hard coating to the model, keep all your details, and it's slightly flexible for any of the air stresses. It's not just going to crack. And that also, you can wet sand it down if you like, and then go over with your normal paints, and do a great design without damaging your foam. So here it is, and this one will be taking a turbine. I'll do its maidens and that on the EDF unit, but so far we're under 300 quid, including servos, electronics, receiver, twin belt. Obviously I haven't done the wiring properly yet. Twin powered power packed receiver, Spectrum 9 channel. These are not the undercarriage that I have for it. I have a nice set of F16 slow drawing screw ones, the servoless ones. They look really nice, really good detail for this. Fits beautifully. 100 quid they are. Awesome. Oh, and they have electronic brakes, which is brilliant. So this is how they're going to be doing the turbine aircraft from now on, to get us all into turbines rather than it being thousands and thousands. It's not. So just a quick one, we got our surfaces. That's got a few tar bar micros actually, and 505s, about 565s maybe. Got a stall torque of I think 2.8 kilos, just as well. The model weighs in about 2.6, and that'd be wet or dry, however you want to go it. Obviously batteries, but as the turbine goes, that'd be the wet weight. So that's the whole jet basically. The EDF motor unit I've got to try out in it to practice is a 8S 90mm setup, 12 blade fan, and it's got the fan drive 1500 kV motor, and it looks a beast. Had to modify the casing to try and fit it in, but I've got it in there, and it's meant to pull on some of the videos of 6S 6000, and it's pulling 4.6 kilos of thrust, so nearly twice what this thing weighs. It's phenomenal now what you can get out of these jets. Okay, yeah, it's foam, but with a little TLC, these will be the things that people will be taking up there. One, because the price, fantastic. If you know what you're doing and you know how to build a jet, you've already got the knowledge up there. Overlay it onto these. You've got you've got problems. Airframes are easy. Good quality, solid, light. Okay, and if you want to add more weight, you can. Bit more positive, but yeah, well, phenomenal. Very impressed. So got flaps coming on and leading edge as well. I haven't finished the tail bit yet. I've just got the last parts of the elevators there to cut in and then finish bonding. So I've got nice strong tips, just to the surfaces, control surfaces. All awesome servos throughout, High-Techs, Align and KDS. The nice Metal Gear KDS ones, actually, they've got very good loadings, but I've only got them under wing anyway, so they've got the big boys, or the little big boys, under there. So yeah, that's it so far. But yeah, coming in under 300 quid so far. Obviously the transmitter is not in that, but all the rest of the radio, servos, all the bits I had to go to the shop to buy, just bits of balsa, a few bits of sparring. Yeah, we're there. A few little things I did have laying around, like because I've done all the wiring through the middle. I just bought the high ampage cabling, just in by the meter. That way you got plenty here. You ain't got to worry about all the extension leads. Just run them all in quick.